Hi, I want to share with you a couple different tips on hair products for natural hair. A couple of them are Young Living, one is not, but this is what I use. So this is my hair if I just let it air dry. It's natural curly. If I blow dried, it will be straight, but I don't like to use a lot of heavy, fragrant products in my hair. I try to get away from fragrance as much as possible, but we live in a polluted world, so you can't get away from it entirely. This is not a shaming video. Do not feel bad if you use products. It's all up to you, your choice, do whatever you want. One product I like to use that is not Young Living, but I think it's great, is Moroccan oil. Okay, this is amazing. If you have a lot of split ends or damage to your hair, if you use a lot of color, Moroccan oil is very good for repairing your hair, and it smells amazing. You can get it on Amazon or salons, but you just use a tiny bit on the very bottom of your hair, and it doesn't appear greasy or oily. It works great. Couple Young Living products I like to use. Like today, my hair is kind of frizzy if I don't put something in it. I actually use the Shutron aftershave lotion. Just one pump in my hands, rub it around, and put it in my hair like you would gel or mousse. But it smells amazing. As you can see, it doesn't look greasy, and it keeps the frizz down in my hair. So this is really great for that. I've also used any number of the Young Living body lotions. I have used them on my hair, summer and winter. In the winter time, you know, your hair tends to get drier. In the summertime, if it's humid, my hair will be frizzy too. So I will just use a tiny pea-sized amount, rub it in my hands, and just rake it through my hair and sometimes scrunch it up. It's great to keep frizz down. It's nourishing to your hair just like it is your skin. It works great. So another Young Living product that's a multi-use. Hopefully that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.